Good morning, students. Yesterday we had started with the topic Mendelian disorders, and Mendelian disorders we have divided them into the genetic disorders have been divided into two categories: Mendelian disorders and chromosomal disorders. Chromosomal disorders, they are because of mutations or alterations in the single gene. They are transmitted from parents to their children. We can study them with the help of pedigree analysis, and we have done various examples of them like hemophilia, color blindness, sickle cell anemia, phenylketonuria, and alkaptonuria. Now we are beginning with the chromosomal disorders. We know that what is the cause of chromosomal disorders? It is aneuploidy, or basically it is the non-disjunction, that is failure of separation of homologous pair of chromosomes during gamete formation. In this category, we will explain Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, and the Klinefelter syndrome, which are given in the NCERT. Let us see. The first example is the Down's syndrome. Down syndrome was first of all reported by Langdon Down, Langdon, Langdon Down in 1866. What is the cause of this disorder? It is caused due to the trisomy of 21st pair of chromosome. During egg formation, what happens? Sometimes the 21st pair of chromosome, it fails to separate. As a result, the two types of eggs formed are, in one egg there are both the 21 chromosomes, and in another egg the 21 chromosome is missing. So one egg has 1 to 20, then 21, 21, 22 and 23, means there are 24 chromosomes, and other egg formed due to non-disjunction of 21 chromosome has 1 to 20, 22 and 23, means it has got 22 chromosomes in total. If this egg, if this uh, abnormal egg, it fuses with normal sperm, so the zygote, it results in the formation of individual with 321 chromosomes, and this is called 21. This is an example of 21 trisomy also. This is called Down's syndrome or Mongolian idiopathy, and the individuals suffering by Down syndrome, they are called mongoloids. They are completely idiots with zero IQ level. Now cause presence of extra chromosome number 21, that is it is caused due to 21 trisomy. During oogenesis, due to non-disjunction of chromosome number 21, both the chromosome pass into single egg. Thus the egg has 24 chromosomes and the offspring has 47 chromosomes. Now the individual will be 45 plus XX in females, genotype of the individuals will be, and the male will be having 45 plus X5 chromosomes. The chances of such individuals are 1 in 600 births. Let us see the next symptoms of the Down syndrome. The individuals, they have round face, broad forehead, फ्लैट नेजल ब्रिज, नाक चपटी है, परमानेंटली ओपन माउथ, प्रोजेक्टिंग लोअर लिप, नीचे जो लोअर लिप है वो बाहर की तरफ लटका रहता है, प्रोट्रूडिंग टंग, जीभ मुंह से बाहर निकली रहती है, शॉर्ट नेक, फ्लैट हैंड्स, स्टबी फिंगर्स, छोटी छोटी मोटी मोटी उंगलियां, पाम क्रीज, little intelligence due to brain malformation, and gonads or the reproductive organs, they are underdeveloped, and few of them only live up to maturity. Those who attain maturity, they produce Mongolian and the normal children in equal proportions. Now